This is an awesome longboard, and I'm going to give you a preview of what to expect when you buy one. First, you can see there's this awesome graphic on the grip tape and the bottom, and it comes with soft 70mm wheels with ABEC 9 bearings. The deck is made out of 8-ply maple, which is pretty strong, but it's also lots of flexi for a comfortable ride. The trucks are loose for making tight turns, but you can tighten them up. And it can handle up to 250 pounds. It's a longboard, so it doesn't have a kicktail, but you can totally pop it up from the ground. Plus, it's really easy to reposition like this. It rides the same both forwards and backwards, so you can flip it around no problem. And the whole thing's only 7 pounds, so it's really agile. It's really easy to kick it up and take it with you anywhere. There's a slight concave to the deck which helps your feet to grip the board and take tight turns without feeling like you're gonna fall off. The trucks are drop through, so the ground clearance is only 4 inches, which gets you really close and makes it super easy to push. The whole ride is smooth and easy and really stable. Going over bumps and curbs is really easy too, so it's an overall awesome riding experience. I hope that this preview helped you out.
This is the range of Backfire Longboards, the Discus Fish series. These boards are constructed using 3 layers of semi-carbonized bamboo and 2 layers of glass fiber. The decks are 41 inches by 9 inches with a symmetrical U-shaped tip and tail design. Double concave kick design is featured throughout. What that brings is stable performance and linear, hard rebound, which is optimal for both carving or just cruising. We have custom designed a unique shape for the Discus Fish segmented grip tape. The tip and tail of the board adopts OS 46 grip tape, boasting coarse sand grains, so that you can lock your feet and have more confidence when doing tricks. However, the middle of the board utilises the wear-resistant OS 780 grip tape, making your daily street skating easier. The 50 degrees 7-inch unique casting of the longboard truck is encapsulated with a special wear-resistant matte layer, sprayed onto its surfaces. We also equipped the trucks with double hardness, high rebound polyurethane bushings, which will simultaneously ensure stability and provide rapid rebound support. The high quality ABEC 7 bearings with double covers and the 65 by 51mm 78A durometer grippy wheels will ensure long-term durability and a high quality skating experience. Discus Fish series longboards offer 3 different models: Original, Streak and Hue. Oh, and don't forget the little surprise under the grip tape.
Hey guys, what I have here is a 42-inch VOLADOR Freeride longboard. So first of all, this board is made up of 8 plies of laminate maple and comes in 2 different colorways: pine green and oriental cherry. This board is a drop-through camber deck, drop-through being how the trucks go through these little slits right here, and camber being how it's not completely flat. There's also this pretty sweet graphic printed on the grip tape along with some more VOLADOR branding, and the tape itself isn't too low of grit that it'll nick up your fingers, but it's low enough that your feet won't slip off. Alright, now the trucks. The trucks have a 40-degree base and a 180mm long hanger. Oh yeah, and the stock bushings are super soft, so they allow you for some really deep and smooth carves. The wheels come with ABEC 9 bearings that spin surprisingly well, and the 78A 70mm wheels are harder than most that I use, but still allow for a really smooth ride, and you can throw out some slides. Now the board itself doesn't flex too much, making it better for bombing down hills rather than playful carving. Personally, I can use it for both. Now there's a bunch of people in other reviews that I've seen where they say the nose and tail snap off really easily when you're doing tricks. Personally, I've thrown out a couple of shove-its and I've had no problem so far. Overall, I'd say the board is pretty sweet, especially for the price, and would totally recommend it to anyone.